If you're experiencing repeated payment declines on YouTube, it can be frustrating. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check your payment method. Ensure that the payment method linked to your YouTube account is valid and has sufficient funds. Verify the card details, including the number, expiration date, and billing address to ensure they match your bank records. Step 2. Update payment information. If your payment method is outdated or incorrect, update it. Go to your account settings, navigate to the payment section, and enter your new or corrected payment information. Save the changes and try making a purchase again. Step 3. Contact your bank. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Clear cache and cookies. A corrupted cache or cookies can cause issues with online transactions. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, or try using a different browser or device to see if that resolves the payment decline issue. Step 5. Reach out to YouTube support. If you've tried the above steps and are still facing issues, contact YouTube support for assistance. Provide them with details about the problem, and they can help you troubleshoot further or identify any account-specific issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve repeated payment declines on YouTube. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from customer support.